Hi, welcome. So in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a do-it-yourself aloe vera and coconut milk hair mask. Try this do-it-yourself aloe vera hair mask to deep condition and promote growth. It does this all while making your hair shiny and soft. Aloe vera promotes hair growth. It soothes your scalp. It helps with irritated scalp, and it will condition your hair and lock in nutrients and hydration. Now what I'm doing here is just placing it to blend it, and this is my coconut milk. Coconut milk restores silk to dull damaged hair while moisturizing and conditioning your hair as well. It's just an all-around great ingredient. So here I'm adding Jamaican black castor oil. Has many benefits, and I'm also adding a teaspoon of vitamin E oil. So I'm just mixing everything together, and I'm also going to be adding some xanthan gum, which has many benefits in and of itself, but I'm basically using it for this recipe to thicken the actual hair mask itself because it was too watery. So what I'm doing here is just getting my hair wet. I'm detangling. Just make sure to saturate your entire head with this from roots to end. I actually left it on for 2 hours because I was watching a movie, but you can leave it for just 30 minutes to an hour or 15 minutes to 30 minutes. It's up to you, but thank you so much for watching. I appreciate it, guys. Bye.